Hello everybody. So today I'm gonna show you how to use WPscan. So which is called WordPress scanner. So I have this page. So I want to enumerate this website. So what I can do is to copy this, right? Copy this URL and use WPscan. WPscan. That is URL, and let's do paste it over here and let's do enter. So if you are seeing this kind of error, that means seems to be down. SSL peer certification or SSS remote was not okay. So basically what you want to do is to add disable TLS check. Okay, here my spelling is incorrect, so I want to do this, and now it's scanning. And so right now we don't have a plugin, so there is config. Okay, now so this is so now we want to enumerate the uh, username. So we can do u for that, and let's wait for the scanning, right? And here we have the username. So we have John Smith, John, Ellie, Peter, Barry, and so on. And that's how you do it. And in order to enumerate all the plugins, right? So you can do AP for that. So right now it doesn't show the plugin because I don't. It has no plugin. So here you might be seeing no API token is found. So basically what you want to do is to go to this WP scan website, right? And copy this, and while you are scanning, try to use API API token. Then let's paste it, right, this token, and let's do enter. So my spelling is incorrect over here. So now it's scanning properly. Now it's working and it's not showing an error. So this is how we should use WP scan. Thank you guys.